It was touching to see this action of the dog. Wholesome friendship between old dog and old man. This dog is like a guide for its elderly owner. This poodle was adopted by its elderly owner as a companion. The dog feels the owner's affection, so he is very happy to welcome this owner. Look at him taking care of the little dog, like he is taking care of his own small child.
We get to Nan's house, Sally will trot straight through, get on the floor, roll over, and then Nan will just scratch her and give her a kiss and blow raspberries on her neck, and Sally loves it. In the morning, Nan has her cereal and coffee and looks out the window.
The grandmother took good care of the dog, like taking care of a little grandchild. The grandmother is trying to teach the dog how to jump on the bed, so that every night the dog can go to bed with her. This helps the dog spend more time with her every evening.
What's the matter with that nice puppy? Hey, what's the matter with that nice puppy? Hey? He's a nice puppy. Yes, you are. Oh, look, the beautiful toy. That's your toy. Oh, it's a
sudden rain, but luckily his owner used a towel to dry his fur.
No bird watching, and Sally always does it with Nan. They'll just watch the birds together, and they could do it for hours. We try and go from Nan's about 2 to 3 times a week. Nan will call me every day and just ask how Sally is. We all know who the favourite is, and that's Sally for sure. Nan will always, without fail, carry Sally to the car. So she kind of carries her like a little baby and sings to her.
Who's a little baby?
Sally met Nan the second day she came home. She was the first person she'd go to. It's hard for people not to pick up a dog, especially as small as Sally, whereas Nan, when she first met Sally, she was just like, can I pick you up? And was just speaking to Sally as if she was going to reply. From there, really, you could see that it had a bond. Nan was just different with her. We lost my granddad just under 2 years ago, and Sally was there the day after my granddad died. Sally was with my nan all the time. I know that Sally definitely helped my nan through that horrendous time. If Nan got a dessert or something, Sally plays the game completely. Sally will go up to Nan and she gives her a puppy dog.